Yes, dear students, now we will solve question number 3 of our same chapter, that is of your GST. Now here you can see past entries in the book of Ganguly and Sons. So here it is a journal of Ganguly and Sons. So we will write here journal JOURNAL, journal of your GANGULI, Ganguly and Sons. We are going to start now. First transaction we have here: purchase goods for rupees 2 lakhs and payment made by check. So purchase payment made by check का मतलब year is not given, on entry number 1 is given here only. So purchase you have PURCHASE, purchase account debited, that is of your 2 lakhs, and you know it that we have to pay 6% CGST and 6% SGST. So here input input CGST 6%, and you have input tax paid SGST 6%. They both are of your debit amount because you are going to pay this amount by bank. So it is your to bank because you are giving check to the person to whom you are purchasing. BANK, bank account credit amount will come. So 6% on 2 lakhs. So 2 6 times is equals to 12 will be of your 12,000 rupees for CGST and 12,000 rupees for SGST. So it will be of your 2,24,000 to 2,24,000. It will be equals to this. And here you can make a narration: purchase good paid by check. So here PURCHASE, purchase goods, payment made by PAYMENT, payment, MAID made by check, CHEQUE, check. After leaving one line, we will go for the another second entry: sold goods for 1,60,000 to Devki Nandan and Sons. Sales. So Devki Nandan and Sons will come here. DEVKI, Devki Nandan, NANDAN and Sons, and Sons. Accounts debited. So obviously it is a sale. So sales, there is a, whenever you sales the goods, obviously tax is to be collected. So here you have to write to SALES, sales account, that is of your credit amount 1,60,000, and output, that is of your to OUT, output CGST 6%, and to output SGST 6%. So 1,60,000 6%, 6 that is of your 9,600. It is of your 9,600 will be of your CGST, and the same is of your SGST. If you will add both the amount, and the money you are going to collect from Devki Nandan and Sons is of your 1,79,200. This much amount you are going to collect. So here you have to write sales. Here you write sale, sold goods to Devki Nandan. Sold, SOLD, sold goods to Devki, DEVKI NANDAN, Nandan. Now transaction number 3, we can see purchase goods for 50,000 on credit. So purchase amount PURCHASE, purchase account debited. Obviously whenever there is a purchase, there is a input CGST. So you have to pay your input your CGST, how much percent it is of your 6% CGST, and your input IN, PUT, SGST also, that is of your 6%. So both you have to pay, and it is purchased from creditor to, no name is given, so we will write directly creditor, CREDITOR, creditors account, creditor account. So these two entries are of your debit of CGST and SGST. The purchase amount is of your 50,000. So 50,000 के ऊपर हमको 6%, 5 6 30, 3,000 we have to purchase. So that is 3,000 is for CGST and 3,000 is of your SGST. If you will add and write the amount, it will be of your 56,000 rupees. It is clear? This is paid, tax paid while purchasing the goods. So here purchase goods on credit, or goods purchase on PURCHA as we purchase on CREDIT, credit. It is clear? Now we will see your transaction number 4, that is printing and stationery. We have paid 4,000 rupees. So here obviously PRINTING, printing and stationery, STATIONERY, stationery account, debited because printing and stationery is there, so it is your IN, PUT input, your CGST 6%, and your input SGST also 6%. So the amount is given 4,000 rupees. Here you have 4,000 and 6, 4 6 are 4,000 rupees, and 6 4 6 are 24. It will be your 240 and your 240. So it is printing paid it is written. So we will write to cash because it is not a big amount. So to cash account we will write it. So it will be your 4480. So your 4,480, and here you can write your paid for printing and stationery. You have to write paid for printing, 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 and STATIONERY, stationery, paid for printing and stationery. Now entry number 5 we will see receipt of commission 5,000 rupees. So receipts of commission means cash we are getting here. Your cash account debited we are getting here. And if we are getting cash from commission, so it will be to commission, to COMMISSION, that is of your commission, ION commission received, commission REC received. It will be of credit amount, but commission received, so it will be with to output CGST, OUT, PUT, your CGST, and to output OUT, PUT, SGST. Both are credit amount. So first of all we will see how much commission we are going to get. That we are getting 5,000 rupees commission. So this commission 5,000, on that the tax collected is what? 5 6 times equals to 30, 300, and 5 6 times equals to 30, 300. So it will be equals to your 5,600 commission received. Now here we will make the entry, that is you can write that commission received, or commission COMMISSION, commission that is received. It is clear? Now main entry, output CGST adjusted against input CGST. The main entry, I always say, this is the last entry where we have to calculate. So for last entry we will go for another page. I am moving this page here, and here we have, first of all we will keep the calculation of this. Let me see screen. Okay, now sorry, yes. So here we have to calculate for the last entry. Calculation we will do. So in this, first of all we will write the output, all the output CGST and SGSTs at one corner, and all input CGST and SGSTs on the another corner. The subtraction we will write in that manner. So here for last entry we will have here date particular PARTICULARS, particulars, your ledger folio, that is debit amount, and it is what your credit amount. So calculation working note we will see here, WORKING working, NOTE note. What I already told you in previous videos, here we will write output, OUT PUT. Output means collected, 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 tax collected, and it is your INPUT, input, that is of paid, already paid, you have already paid while purchasing. So here we have your SGST and CGST, CGST and your SGST. Here also CGST and SGST, all amounts we will write separately. Now see here, input we have 12,000. So input we will write here 12,000 first time, and SGST also we have a 12,000. Then we have output, sales output we have here collected 9,600 collected here, and 9,600 collected here. Then again put input, that is of your paid, that is of your 3,000 paid here, and 3,000 paid here. And then again paid, that is of your 2,240 and 240. Again output is there, that is of your 300, and you have here 300. So we will add it and see what is the difference coming. So this is of your 9,900 will come here. Here also you will get 9,000, you have here 900, and this side you will get, that is of your 12, 13, 14, 15,240 this side, and paid 15,240. You have paid already, you have paid much amount, it is clear, but it is collected and it is already paid. So whatever the collected, that much entry we will make here in this. So here we will write on the last, that is of your 6th entry, that is of your 6th transaction. So outside output, here you have to write output CGST and output OUT PUT, output your SGST, both are of your debit amount. जितना आपने already collect कर लिया वो आप यहाँ लिख दें, जो आपने collect कर लिया आप. You have already collected 9,900 rupees already collected in both CGST and SGST case, and already paid for 15,240. That means some amount, that means more amount you have paid, but the collection amount is less, output amount is less. So whatever amount you have collected, you just consider it that much amount you have paid. So here you have to write to input INPUT, input, that is of your 9,900 you will write, and here to input CGST, it was your CGST, and another input INPUT, input SGST, that is of your 9,900 you have written here, and at the end you can write tax, input tax credit arrived. That means still we have some paid tax with us. That means अगर हम फ्यूचर में कुछ और सामान सेल करेंगे और कुछ टैक्स कलेक्ट करेंगे, तो वो टैक्स जो हम आगे फ्यूचर में यहाँ पर कलेक्ट करने वाले हैं, सपोज यहाँ पर हमने इसमें से हमने 9,900 तो गवर्नमेंट को पे कर दिया, लेकिन जो बैलेंस अमाउंट हमारे पास आ रहा है 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, तो हमारे पास ये जो 5,400 बैलेंस अमाउंट आ रहा है. मान लीजिए फ्यूचर में आपने और कुछ सेल करके टैक्स कलेक्ट किया और वो टैक्स आपने 340 कलेक्ट कर लिया, तो वो 340 इसमें से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 340, तब आपके पास बचेगा कि आपके पास अभी 5,000 जो है पेड वाला हिस्सा बचा हुआ है, मतलब आपने पहले से एडवांस में 5,000 पेड कर रखा है. इट इज क्लियर. इन द सेम वे दिस इज पेड. सो हियर यू राइट इनपुट, and here you write input tax CREDIT, credit APAILED, availed. It is clear. Now your question is finished. You can pause this video to note it down, and this also working note, and this part also. No need to note down this and this. It was the explanation that you can understand. Okay.